All right, so this is going to be the first trade that I took this morning. This netted me about $1,500. And I'm going to go over exactly what I saw, what I marked out, why I entered, and everything. First things first, what I saw here was this high, right? This is the previous day high that I was looking at. It had not been hit yet, and we were forming this series of multiple highs through here, right? None of them had been taken just yet, right? Until this price went up and just took out one of them and then reversed back down, right? So this high was completely intact, and this is what I wanted to see, right? And you can see we entered a market maker buy model as soon as we swept this low, right? We came up, broke structure right here, and kept on going up. So when I saw this happen, I was looking at multiple bearish PDRAs through here that I was trying to long, right? And the first one that I saw was this bearish order block. Price was currently below it, right? This is when we were still trading below it. We were right here, and it was this bearish order block. I was anticipating that this order block will get broken and we are going to use it as a breaker, right? Which is exactly what happened. But the reason being is we were making higher lows, higher highs, no signs of any rejections from any major highs here. So I knew that we would be going for this previous day high. As soon as the candle closed through, I got in. Right, this candle right here was my entry. My entry took place right here. Wow, that circle is terrible. So my entry took place right here on this candle, and my stop loss was placed on the candle's low, immediate low, right here. So I was looking at about a 3.5 to 1 risk to reward here on this trade. I actually ended up holding it for a little more. I ended up holding it till about here. So this was a 7R trade. Once we pulled up here, I trimmed 2 out of my 3 contracts that I had. One was placed at break even, and price came down, stopped me out at break even, and I was all out of that trade. So that was the first trade that I took. The second trade, funny enough, was very similar to the first trade that I took, and it is also an order block failing and turning into a breaker, right? Throughout here, nothing had changed. We did not go break any major lows or anything like that. So we are still in bullish structure, even though we rejected this high. I was anticipating we would pull right back up just because we did not break any lows and buyers were very strong. Price comes up, closes through the order block, and once again, I took my entry right here. My stop loss was placed at the candle below right there, and I believe I exited this trade right around here. I was looking, 15,336 was a high that I had. Let me just mark it out real quick. 66 actually. Wait, no, it's 36. It's right here. So the entry was taken right here. Stop loss was placed at the low, and you guys see this was a really nice trade overall. Almost a 2 to 1, but it did end up coming back and stopping me out in profit. Actually, no, this one I closed above here, but just keep the stop and profit part. And then I took one last final trade, which was right here when price actually pulled into this breaker and retested it, and this was a perfect trade. It couldn't have gone any better. I entered right about here. My stop loss was the low, and I was looking for this 13,336 level, which is a previous day high. You guys can see this level is derived from a daily chart, so a pretty strong level. And this was the final trade that I took for the day. You guys can see the strategy in here was very simple. All I'm looking for is an order block to break and then turn a bearish order block to break and then turn bullish to act as a breaker. And those were the 3 trades that I took today. Those are the 3 trades that I took today. If you guys want to watch me trade live every single day, there's a link in my bio. Go ahead and click and join the wait list. I will be accepting people here and there to join and trade with us live every single day.